Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about improper integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put the limit goal here. So that should be about 8, and we have the limit 8 approach to positive infinity. So I will put this one go to numerator. So I will put the negative on the power. So we have negative number 3 over number 2. And now we have the formula in here. So this one that is about s minus number 3 to the power of negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 2 plus 1, and I will put about number 4 to 8. So this one we have negative 1 over 2. This one we have negative 1 over 2. So this one we put negative number 2 cone here. Because this is about the negative power, so we can put like this. Now I will put 8 and number 4 cone here. So this one we calculate, and we have positive number 2. When 8 approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Negative number 2 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. And this is about convergent.